आंध्र प्रदेश के शहर विजयवाड़ा में आज एक तारीखी और टेक्नोलॉजी से भरपूर इवेंट मुनक्किद किया गया। यहाँ वज़ीर आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने नेशनल क्वांटम वैली वर्कशॉप का रस्मी इफ्तिताह किया। रियासती वज़ीर नारा लोकेश भी इस मौके पर उनके हमरा मौजूद थे। इस वर्कशॉप में मुल्क व बैरून मुल्क से आए हुए IT, फार्मा, तामीरात, कम्युनिकेशन और दीगर शोबजात से वाबस्ता मल्टी नेशनल कंपनियों के मंदुबीन ने शिरकत की। चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने मुख्तलिफ स्टॉल्स का मुआयना किया और कंपनियों के नुमाइंदों से क्वांटम टेक्नोलॉजी और उसके मुख्तलिफ शोबों में इतलाक़ के बारे में तफसीलात हासिल की।
Then how many institutes you are able to, as on today, quantum and ecosystem players, how many institutes are working?
Sir, 40 plus.
40 plus.
Yes.
And all are collaborating.
That is also important. Networking
so
always.
This mission has a uniqueness. It's not individual PI.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, that is important.
So in each hub there will be about 40 researchers.
What about other countries which is leading as on
Sir,
today?
currently
in type of total ecosystem.
Yeah, so I think in the national quantum mission type, the countries are having mission. Germany is having.
5, 6. But where are they?
US is really, if you look at the recent 2024 report, which has just come a few days, 2 days back. Okay, let me say it not to be quoted. India is right now at 9th place in quantum, or 7th place depending on the way you count. Our goal is in the mission from 7th to 3rd. So the first one is US. They have a good margin because they started early also. And then we have China and France and Germany. So our goal is from 7th we have to jump.
Third.
So how many years?
Sir, we in next 4-5 years, I think.
Minimum because, sorry.
You know, I was saying in sensing and communication, we can really be the top 3 in next 3 years.
Yeah. And in computing, if we focus on algorithms for the first 3 years, we can make a difference. The way we did in software as a service.
Yeah.
That's where our strength should be also, because now you can buy time. Even before your computer comes here in 1 year, we should make the...
Only problem is even IT, software also, we missed products.
Yes,
That is the biggest.